I've been living here for over 10 years, 15 years, and never knew about this place, and it's very close to my house. Guy has 1,500 lychee trees and many other trees. Hello everybody, it's Paul Neeson with the Real Life Health Show. So yesterday I made a video, I spent $50 on a jackfruit. I didn't actually eat it yet. I'm gonna eat it today. I just got back from the gym. Actually, I just got out of the gym and I got another phone call. Not from the guy yesterday, the drug dealer yesterday, the fruit dealer yesterday. I got a call from somebody else telling me somebody has lychees. It's lychee season. And you could buy 100 pounds for a wholesale. 100 pounds. So forget about yesterday's question. Would you buy, and here's a link to that video from yesterday. But yesterday's question was, would you pay $50 for one fruit? Today's question is, would you spend, or would you buy 100 pounds of fruit, of a fruit? How in the world am I gonna get 100 pounds of a fruit? I mean, I'm not, and I don't overeat, so I'm not somebody who's looking to overeat on these things, but 100 pounds. How much is 100? I mean, we're looking at like, I'm about to spend almost $300 on food, on a fruit. Forget about when you spend $50. I'm about to spend almost $300 on lychees. What? $300 on lychees. Well, I'm excited because I know a whole bunch of people that want them, so I'm gonna be able to share the love, spread the love, and you know, I can just pick it up for them and sell them. So now I've become a dealer. So not only am I addicted, but now I'm the dealer. But that won't turn out good because I heard if the dealers eat their inventory or use their inventory, then it's not a good thing. But we're gonna have more than enough for other people, but I'm gonna have enough for myself as well. And I'm excited. So I just found this news out. So I'm going to pick up my girls again and my children, and we're gonna go to the lychee farm and check them out. Now they do have passion fruit also, but the guy said $4.50 a pound, and that's a little bit too much for me. $4.50 a pound. You know, I know people that buy. I just thought about this. People buy cheese for like $20 a pound. I remember when I was eating cheese, I found a cheese that was made with milk thistle because I didn't want to rent it, and it came from Portugal, and it was like $21 a pound, and I was buying them by the wheel. And people buy this stuff, and people are saying $3 a pound for fruit is expensive. What are people thinking? What are people thinking? Well, I'm so glad I don't eat cheese. I'm so glad I don't eat animals, and I'm glad I won't spend $20 a pound on anything. But even $5 a pound, I'm skeptical. I might get a couple of pounds or so, but not a massive amount. But I'm going to get me some lychee. It's lychee season, and it is one of my top 10 fruits is lychee. People might say top 10. They only know like 2 or 3 fruits. I'm saying, what would my top 10 fruits be? I'd have to say durian, jackfruit, soursop, mamey, persimmon. Those might be my top 5. And then I gotta throw in white sapote and Nisboro. So I'm not even gonna have a top 5. I'm gonna have a top 7. Those are my top 7 foods: durian, jackfruit, soursop, mamey, Nisboro, and persimmon. So those are my top 5, and white sapote. Top, was that 8? Durian, jackfruit, soursop, persimmon, white sapote, mamey. 7. I don't even know anymore. But anyway, they're my top 10. Okay, that's my top 10 fruits, and there are tons and tons, hundreds of different types of fruits. So it's okay to have a top 10. Anyway, I'm gonna go get my children. We're gonna go get the lychees, and we're gonna have a blast. I'm loving this lifestyle. All right, everybody, have another surprise. Guess what?
What is it?
We are going to a farm, and we're gonna get 50 pounds of lychees.
Yes! Yes! I love lychees!
Yes, all right. So we're gonna go there now, and we're gonna have the best time ever.
Yay!
All right, everybody, here we come. Just coming in the entrance, I see lychee trees already.
Yay!
I see a bunch of fruit trees, and we are going to get some fruit.
Yay!
Look, there's some lychee trees right there. Whoa.
Oh, they're so yummy. I see a bunch tree just right there, and there's a bunch on it.
A bunch of ripe lychee trees, so maybe we'll get some. Okay, alright. Here we are. This is our friend Pete. Pete has this amazing farm with all these fruit trees. How much land do you have here, Pete?
About 33 acres.
33 acres. And how many lychee trees do you have?
Around 1,500.
1,500. Wow. What's your oldest one?
I don't know, they've been planted. I bought this farm in 2003. They were already planted, so we cut them back every year, so I have no idea.
Okay, wow. And you got longans here and a whole bunch of fruits. This is amazing. Very good. And I'm about to get some lychees here, and this is so exciting. All right. An amazing display of dragon fruits growing. And these have to be grown up on a post, right? Eventually?
Yeah, see, like I planted those there.
Oh, wow. Wow, look at that post. Wow.
That's not a good idea because they're, you can't pick them when they get to the top.
Yeah, yeah. And here's what they look like when they're growing, right? And here's all these dragon fruits. Making connections is one of the keys to finding out good sources of food. I've been living here for over 10 years, 15 years, and never knew about this place, and it's very close to my house. The guy has 1,500 lychee trees and many other trees. I didn't even know about it, but now I made the connection, and now I'm gonna come here and get food more often. The more food I could buy, not in the store, the better off I'm gonna be, and I can buy them right on the farm. So here he comes. Here he comes, pulling my my lychees. And how long are these good for in the fridge?
2 weeks. They'll turn brown in about 5 days, but they'll be good for 2 weeks.
Oh, nice. Okay, there they are. Nice. Okay, everybody, here it is. 3 boxes of lychees. 3 boxes. And we're gonna get more tomorrow. So excited, so excited. And these are absolutely amazing, amazing. All right, guys, so here it is, right from the farm. We have a 20-pound box, a 20-pound box, and a 10-pound box. 50 pounds of lychees, and I'm gonna get another 50 pounds tomorrow. This is gonna go in the fridge. Now, my neighbor just came over, and I sold him some pounds of this, and he brought me over white sapote. A lot of people don't know about white sapote, but they literally taste like vanilla pudding. So good. It's so good. So I got lychees, white sapote, and he also brought me a black sapote and a papaya. I love summer in West Palm Beach, Florida. These lychees are absolutely, they keep getting better and better. Look how big those are. All right, so if you guys happen to be watching this and you're in the West Palm Beach, Florida area, contact me under the video so you can come by and pick up some lychee fruits for me. Super cheap price, and we don't have enough white sapote for you, but we got lychees. All right. Oh, Father Yahweh, help me not overeat. Can't stop eating these things. They're so good, so good. Oh, 50 pounds. 50 pounds. I just got to stop. I just got to stop eating. It's just amazing. 50 pounds of fresh lychee. We have all these fruit that I've gathered the last couple of days locally here. And this is how it is in South Florida, and it's just the beginning of summer. First thing we have here is we made a video about this the other day. This is a 28-pound jackfruit. Didn't even get a chance to open it up yet. It smells amazing. It tastes like bubble gum. This is just to give you an idea. Yes, that was kind of expensive, but well worth it, and that's a good amount of days worth of food there. Then we have these here, these lychees, which I've been making videos at. As a matter of fact, as you saw in the video today, I got 50 pounds of lychees, and I got friends that are just looking forward to buying these, and they're just so good. So we got jackfruit, you got lychees. And of course, what we're known for in South Florida, the most popular fruit that grows here in South Florida, and literally, you could drive down the street here, and the trees are loaded with these. Mangoes. I mean, there's so many different varieties, and it looks like Candyland outside now. I mean, literally, you're driving down the street, and there's mangoes just falling in the street practically. They're just everywhere. It's really amazing. Then we got some different varieties of this here. This is a papaya. And it's unlike the papayas you see in the store that are green. These are fresh from my trees. These are ripe papayas from my trees. Look how yellow they are. And it's just such a great fruit, and it's just all over. Again, another wonderful food. Then you have some more less known foods. This here, and this is all harvested in the last couple of days here. Literally picked off of every single thing you see on this table was picked off the tree within the last 2 days, 2 or 3 days. This here is sapodilla, also known as Nispero. Tastes like brown sugar. Absolutely amazing. And I have a tree of everything here, and not all of these are from my trees. But I have a tree of everything here, but this is sapodilla. Just great. Then we have, and this one is from my tree, this is star fruit. You go to Whole Paycheck and one of these costs, you know, like $1 or $2 for just one. And I'm getting tons of them off my tree. And then my favorite, or one of my absolute favorites, probably besides the jackfruit, my favorite thing here on the table, and I do love everything here on the table, everything here on the table is in my top 10, but these are white sapote, and literally taste like vanilla pudding. Absolutely amazing. And then finally, we got a black sapote, also known as the chocolate pudding fruit, and it's actually tastes like a chocolate persimmon. Speaking of persimmons, persimmons are coming into season. I got some Florida persimmons. Avocados are always in season here, and depending on which variety you have. I got soursop, which is also known as guanabana. There's sugar apples, there's atemoyas, there's longans, and so many other tons of different tropical fruits that we get here locally. It's just so great. I'm so excited. And the ironic thing is, my diet isn't just about a lot of fruit. I eat a good amount of greens, and I do eat fruit, but I don't eat fruit every day. I don't even eat every day. And you know, this here is wonderful, and I know a lot of people that overindulge in this, and then they don't like the way it tastes anymore. But this is just great. I'm just loving the different varieties, and as I tell everybody, it's not just apples and bananas. You got all these amazing different types and different varieties of food out there. So I'm excited. I hope the leches that I spoke about today excited you. Yes, not only am I paying $50 for a jackfruit, but I'm buying 50 and 100 pounds of a fruit. Yes, hallelujah. All right, everybody, have a great day and a great raw life.